Be gentle to Charlie. Charlie, you are a good dog. Be gentle to Charlie. Oh, give her kisses. Hugs. Hey Josh, what does the puppy say? Tell me again what the puppy says? Arf arf. Just like Charlie.